there, Dr. Jennifer Keaten from Mainely Veterinary Dentistry, and today we're talking about heart murmurs and anesthesia. We often have people come in and ask, if my pet has a heart murmur, does that mean they cannot go under anesthesia? And thankfully, this is not the case. A heart murmur, which is a swishing sound with the heartbeat, does not necessarily mean that your pet has heart disease. So to determine that, we do need to do a few additional diagnostics. Sometimes it's a simple blood test. Other times we might want an ultrasound or an echocardiogram of the heart to determine what's causing that heart murmur and if your pet does have heart disease. Once that's determined and the level of risk is determined, then we can also make specific protocols for anesthesia to keep your pet as safe as possible. Additionally, dental disease can have a significant impact on the overall health of your pet's heart. So a heart murmur is definitely not a reason to completely forego a cohort procedure here at Mainely Veterinary Dentistry. Do not let a heart murmur be the reason that you allow your pet to live with poor oral health and oral pain. Go to our website at mainlyvetdentistry.com to learn more.